Hi everyone, this is my second chainsaw video. The topic today is Echo chainsaws and how to install a steel bar and chain. Okay, so this is two different chainsaws and both of them belong to my dad. In front you see the steel chainsaw. This saw is almost worn out, but the bar and chain was replaced not that long ago. The other saw is a Echo saw. It was bought less than 2 months ago and it's a nice and lightweight chainsaw. However, you can often feel this saw jerking because it struggles a lot easier. Compared to the steel saw, the chain is wider and the engine output is less. This is why I want the Echo chainsaw to have the steel bar and chain. Okay, let's begin. For the chain tension pin to easily fit in the bar, the bottom bar hole needs to be filed at least twice as wide. The chain tension pin also needs to be moved all the way back. Conclusion, the saw is very smooth. I'm quite happy how this turned out, and so is my dad. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment.